Have you ever considered that the flowers blooming in your garden could take your culinary skills to a whole new level? Welcome to the vibrant, unexplored world of edible flowers. A practice that has its roots in culinary traditions from around the globe. Utilizing flowers in cooking is nothing new, yet it's often overlooked. Many common blooms, from roses to dandelions, are not only safe to eat but offer a unique burst of flavor. From roses to pansies, the world of edible flowers is vast and waiting to be explored. Imagine garnishing your salads with bright marigold petals or adding a hint of lavender to your lemonade. This is the world of edible flowers, a realm where culinary artistry meets botanical beauty. Among the common edible blooms are the peppery nasturtiums, the subtly sweet violets, and the citrusy calendulas. Each flower brings a unique flavor profile and a splash of color to your plate. Imagine a summer salad sprinkled with barrage flowers, offering a cool, cucumber-like flavor. Visualize a cake decorated with pansies, providing a mild, minty sweetness. Or picture a refreshing cocktail infused with hibiscus, imparting a tart, cranberry-like taste and a vibrant ruby hue. From appetizers to main courses, drinks to desserts, edible flowers can enhance the taste and aesthetic appeal of your dishes. They're not just garnishes, they're ingredients that can transform your cooking and baking into a sensory experience. Edible flowers offer an exciting and delicious way to elevate your cooking. But before you start plucking flowers from your garden to use in your kitchen, one critical note of caution. Not all blooms are created equal. Some are safe to eat, others not. And remember, pesticide-laden flowers are a definite no-no. Always ensure that the flowers you use are safe for consumption and organically grown. So, are you ready to transform your garden into your next gourmet adventure? Edible flowers offer a unique twist to your meals, adding not just color but flavor too. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to explore more fascinating topics. Happy gardening and happy cooking, and happy